Two automotive titans, 10 massive clashes. This is the ultimate car showdown, America versus China. With electric monster to opulent giants, we are comparing specs, prices and performance, and crowning a champion for each pair. Give us your top 3 picks in the comments and we will get the countdown started. This is Motorize, let's drive. At number 10 we have Lucid Air versus Zeekr 001FR, two high-end EVs on a collision course. America's Lucid Air Grand Touring comes with 819 horsepower, over 500 miles of range, and a beautiful California finish. The price of this car is around $125k US. Chinese Zeekr 001FR comes with quad motors, 1265 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Price tag around $140k US. Who's gonna win, guys? In my opinion, the winner of this showdown is Zeekr 001FR. China leads with 1-0. At number 9, we got Corvette TC8 versus Kian2 Ki50. The Corvette TC8 is a mid-engine American vehicle with 495 horsepower and has a capability of travel 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Its price is only $68,300 US. The Chinese Kian2 Ki50 has electric power and 429 horsepower, but it is an expensive car at $100k. That one is tough, but in my opinion, the winner of this showdown is Corvette TC8. It is more powerful, cheaper and reveals pure American muscle. Battle between these two equals 1-1. At number 8 we have Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe versus Vuya Free. Jeep 4xe hybrid has 375 horsepower and off-road DNA. Its cost around $61,000 US. Vuya Free is an all-electric SUV that had 489 horsepower, high-end interior and a quicker acceleration. It cost around $49,000 US. The ultimate winner of this showdown, in my opinion, is Chinese Vuya Free. Smarter, sleeker and cheaper. What do you think, guys? Comment down. Now China leads with 2-1. At 7th place we find Mustang Mach-E GT versus Xpeng G6. The Mustang Mach-E GT is bold and powerful. It has 480 horsepower and costs around $61,795 US. Xpeng G6 have 487 horsepower and extended range as well as modern technology with a price of only $35,000. It's hard to choose between Mustang E-GT and Xpeng G6, but in my opinion, I will go with Xpeng G6, the futuristic technology. And what would you choose, guys? Tell me in the comment section. Now China is leading with 3-1. At number 6 position we find GMC Yukon Denali versus Tank 500. On one side is the GMC Yukon Denali. Its big V8 engine, roomy 3 rows and fully American. The price is about $18,000 US. The other one is Chinese Tank 500. It's powerful, tough and way cheaper at $55,000 US. Who's the winner, guys? In my opinion, I will go with Tank 500, a swanky off-roader with no match in its value. Now China is dominating with 4-1 lead. At number 5 we got Chewy Bolt EUV versus BYD Atto 3. Bolt EUV offers you 247 miles of range and acceptable speed at the price of $27,800 US. BYD Atto 3 provides you with 300 miles of range, state-of-the-art technology and a newer interior at approximately $13,000. For under 30k, I will go with BYD Atto 3. Future focused and future packed. What would you choose in these two masterpiece cars? Comment down. China is still dominating with a lead of 5-1. At number 4 we got Tesla Model S Plaid versus new ET7. Tesla Model S Plaid is the quickest manufacturing car sedan of all time. It has a 1020 horsepower and it does 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds. Its price is around $109k US. The new ET7 is loaded with 653 horsepower, interchangeable battery packs and additional luxury. It cost around $72,000 US. And here the winner of this showdown is Tesla Model S Plaid. When it comes to speed, nothing catches it. America gets 1 point, but still, China is dominating with the lead of 5-2. At third spot, we have Chrysler 300C versus BYD Han EV. The Chrysler 300C comes with a 485 horsepower HEMI and Radler flare. Its price around $55,000. BYD Han EV have dual motor 517 horsepower, faster, sleeker, and its price around $45,000. And the winner of this showdown, in my opinion, I will go with BYD Han EV. China is again leading this showdown, taking 6-2 lead. At number 2, we have Lincoln Continental versus Hongqi EHS9. Lincoln Continental is elegance redefined. It is a 400 horsepower posh leather interior and a smooth ride. Its price around $75,000. Hongqi EHS9 is a fully electric SUV that offers 550 horsepower and ultra luxury characteristics. Its price around $92,000. And the winner is Hongqi EHS9. China is taking more lead to 7-2. At number 1 spot, we got Cadillac CT6 versus Hongqi EH9. Cadillac CT6 possesses a smooth V6 with 404 horsepower. It also comes with many beautiful features. Its price around $66,400. The Hongqi EH9 is pure luxury. The back seats feel like a VIP lobby. The design surprises everyone. Its price around $79,300. And the final and the last winner of this showdown is Hongqi EH9, the emperor of modern sedans. China is taking 8 wins and America grabs 2. But now it's your turn. Drop your top 3 cars in the comments. Who is it for, USA or China? If you liked this video, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and get ready for more car battles only on Motorize. Stay connected, guys.